You all must have observed a rainbow in the rainy days. And you know that the color of the rainbow in the order of Bibcure, as same as what we have seen earlier. And the rainbow is forming because of the dispersion of sunlight from the raindrops. Now, how does this happen? You will see the rainbow when the sun rays are falling from behind. You are observing it from one point and the rainbow will be seen somewhere here. So this is happening because the atmosphere is full of water droplets after rainfall. And all these water droplets will act as a simple prism which will refract and disperse the white light into its component color. And you will see the rainbow as a resultant of that. The sunlight entering the raindrop, because of changing of the medium from air to water, refracts, changes its path, and then from the other side, if it falls at a particular angle, then the total internal reflection takes place. To understand the formation of rainbow, the white light entering the raindrops, so the change in medium from rarer to denser, so it is changing its path, and on the other end, it is again hitting a surface between the two mediums, between water and air. So some of the light will be dispersed and move out, and whereas some light will fall at a certain angle, that is generally 42 degrees for rainbow, and that will suffer total internal reflection, means it will be reflected back in the same medium. And when it comes out of the raindrop, it will disperse further, and as a result you will see the rainbow from the ground. So here we are interested in the light which is suffering total internal reflection. Now if we talk about the light which is falling out of it, that is also dispersed, so that must also be forming rainbow. No. The light ray first splits here, as in the case of prism, okay, breaking it up into its component colors, and some is coming this way, internally reflected, and some is moving out, further reflected and dispersed into component color. But we are seeing the rainbow because of the total internal reflection, because the light rays which are moving away from the raindrop are not falling in our eyes. So the rainbow we see is because of the total internally reflected light rays which are dispersed as well. So here we can say that the rainbow we see is due to two refractions. Light is refracting at 2 points and one internal reflection. So that's why the light ray is coming back to us and we are able to see it. So what we discuss is about one raindrop and how it is creating the effect of color to our eyes and which is forming the rainbow. But after the rains, the atmosphere is full of these kind of raindrops and all is adding little dispersion. All is adding to the color of rainbow. What we discussed until now was about a single raindrop. There will be millions of raindrops in the atmosphere throughout. After the rain, they all will act as a small prism and the light rays falling on them will go through the same kind of phenomena, and as a result the observer here will see a full spectrum as a cumulative effect of lot of raindrops acting as prism and dispersing the white light.